This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead 3-player. While the game natively supports 2 players, a straightforward modification allows a third friend to join the action. This easy method enhances your co-op experience, bringing more chaos and fun to the challenging boss battles. Get ready to team up with 2 pals and conquer Inkwell Isle together, making those tough levels a bit more manageable with extra firepower. To get started, you'll need to find a specific mod designed for 3-player co-op. These modifications are usually available on trusted gaming modding websites. Always ensure the mod you download is compatible with your current version of Cuphead to avoid any issues. A quick search will lead you to the right files, preparing you for an expanded team. Once you have the mod files, simply extract them into your main Cuphead game directory. This process usually involves copying a few files. After successful installation, launch the game as you normally would. Make sure you have 3 separate controllers connected to your PC or console, ready for each player to pick up and jump into the action. With 3 players, communication is key. Coordinate your attacks and parries to maximize damage against those tough bosses. Remember to strategically share any charm and weapon upgrades you find, ensuring your team is well-equipped. Get ready for an even more challenging, yet incredibly rewarding experience. Embrace the chaos and have a blast conquering Inkwell Isle with your expanded crew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.